Welcome back to our channel. If you're experiencing an issue on your low volume on your iPhone alarm, first check the ringer and alerts volume. Go to the settings, then open the sounds and haptics option. In here, ensure it's turned up as this controls the alarm volume. Also, you can enable change with buttons if you want to adjust the volume using the side buttons. Next, ensure that do not disturb or focus mode aren't affecting the alarm sound by reviewing their settings. In the settings, open focus and make necessary changes in here. Now, if you're using the sleep or wake up feature in the health app, try disabling it, or you can also adjust the wake up sound volume and the clock up. You can also change the alarm sound to a louder tone by editing the alarm and the clock up. If the issue persists, restart your iPhone or update to the latest iOS version under Settings, then go to the General, then open Software Update. This simple step should help you restore the alarm volume to a louder setting. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.